What the fuck is that? Huh?
Take your laptops and electronics out the bag. If you got a hoodie on, take it off.
Do what I want to do.
Oh my gosh, guys, look. Duke fell asleep. Well,
This is not Starbucks. This is McDonald's.
Yeah. Now,
You wanna go outside and get a treat? Yeah, let's do it.
What has big ears but doesn't listen?
I just think it's really rude when you don't jump on my couch.
Wanna go to your stick? Come on. Easy on the door.
Excuse me, sir. Yes, quick question for you. Why are you so cute?
Just